Hi guys, today we are going to see how to change currency in Shopify store. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Here we can see the product price in euro. So now let's see how to change this currency. Go to the Shopify dashboard, click on Setting, then scroll down. Here you can find Store Currency. Click on 3 dots. Select the Change Store Currency. Click on drop-down menu and you can select any other currency. After selecting this, click on Save. Now go to the Shopify product pages and see how it works. Refresh this page. So now let's see your currency successfully change. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.